All right, guys, it's a little breezy, so I'm hoping you guys can hear me all right. What we're going to be doing this episode is I want to take and actually start working this fiberglass, get this chamfered down where we can smooth it out and transition it to the rest of the body. With that being said, we have to remove this rear glass. Now, my understanding for rear glass is it is just inserted on a rubber seal that has a lip that wraps around the metal flange all the way around. And what you do is you insert a screwdriver or a phenolic scraper or something along those lines down on this bottom corner right here, and you gently pry it out. So we're gonna go ahead, open up the door, and then, like I said, insert and then pry it out. So let's give it a try. You guys can see this is the lip right here on the outside, and down in this bottom corner, peel this up. It's got this aluminum flange on the bottom right here, so you want to be careful not to damage that. And then, so once we have this pried up a little bit, you can see the aluminum flange. And then this is the steel flange on the upper side. So right here we created a gap. We're going to insert this guy in here. I really don't want to damage the seal. Hear the glass moving. Actually, let me show you guys from the inside what I mean. So this seal wraps all the way around to the inside. So let's go look at the inside. So this right here, this bulb, that's the seal itself. So we can let me see if I can pry it up a little bit. See that? So that's all that holds the glass in. So what I was reading is that you're supposed to take and go from this side and then just peel it out. Just really don't want to break the glass. feel it moving. Sure, this is a lot easier if you got Lexan glass back here. The heck did I put that screwdriver? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the screwdriver, which is what it says to do. Sketches me out. I'm worried about cracking this glass. It's going. There we go. Really hear it moving now. You can see right along this lip, it's just peeling out. All right, and that's it. The glass is out. So as you can see right here, you have the inner lip, and then that just seals by getting pressed up in there. Alright, and then you guys can just see right here, this is just a pinch weld all the way around. That's some of the old interior trim. So this is ready for us to, you can see this overlaps. Sand this down, fill in any of the gaps, and then fill in this gap up here as well, because we're going to flush this out. Maybe it looks like peeling back the aluminum trim first. Here. So we learn a little bit on every go. So it seems that the easiest thing to do is to pry this off from the inner seal lip right here. And then that makes the removal a lot easier. I mean, you can just pop this back in. Live and learn, right? You can see it just slips back into that groove. Just gotta massage it a bit. So that seems to be the easiest, is first take and ease this guy out and give yourself some room in the flexibility of the seal. So just ease it out like that, and then pry it up from this back corner right here. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Pick this back up next time, and we'll be working the body on this.